Welcome. This is the homework solution for week 30th. This is the IM2. For this one, I'm going to be covering Tuesdays. Okay, 4 questions. It says to graph the transformation. Okay, f of x is equal to x squared. Graph these. Okay, I would make your life harder. I could make your life harder and making you just do this by hand by making you get the vertex and filling in the chart. But again, you could save time by just throwing it into Desmos. So let's throw it all in Desmos. So the first one, f of x, this is the original, okay? Just want you to make sure what the original looks like, x squared, okay? Um, that's how it looks like. Then we want to graph g of x. They don't want you to graph this. They want to make you graph g of x, okay? So what are we going to do? G of x is when this is going to be minus 3, okay? That makes sense. It goes down. So when you draw this, make sure it goes down, okay? This is how number 1 looks like. Good. Okay, let's do number 2 now. So this is what the original is. Our original is f of x is equal to x squared. It becomes g of x. And right here, parentheses x minus 1. Oh, that got ugly. Minus 1 squared. Good. And that makes sense. It went to the right one because h is 1 here. You see how it went over to the right one? Good. 3. Here's the original. G of x is equal to x squared. That was the original. F of x is equal to x squared, which is your original, right? But now we want to make it g of x, so I could put that on the bottom. G of x is equal to, I want to do x plus 6 parentheses square root 2. Then I'm going to minus 2. Okay, so notice I went to the left, right? The new vertex is negative 6 and negative 2. So I went to the left, negative 6, and down negative 2. So there you go. All right. Good. Okay, so just look at the new vertex. All right. And then the next one, this one. Oh, we should see something like this. Nothing happens to the vertex, right? Okay, nothing happened to the vertex. It only changes to g. So watch what happens. G of x is equal to negative 2 x to the 2. So do you see how it flips? Then it got what? Narrower. Okay, notice these answers were just the same ones above here. Okay, for Mondays. So you saw Monday's solution, you should be able to do Tuesday's solutions. Okay, all I did was make you graph it down here. Okay, so there you go. Those are your solutions. Don't make your life hard. Okay, just throw it into Desmos. Okay, all right.